Welcome. This presentation has been prepared by CircuitMeter to introduce our advanced IoT-based energy metering solution, a next-generation alternative to outdated legacy metering systems. We'll show how CircuitMeter delivers far greater visibility, scalability, and cost-effectiveness, setting a new standard for energy management. Legacy and traditional metering. The current energy metering landscape is marked by several limitations: high costs for metering equipment, installation, and supporting hardware, which restricts the number of metering points and makes comprehensive deployment difficult. Applications are typically PC-based and designed for electrical engineers, offering limited functionality, difficult customization, and slow report generation, making them unsuitable for enterprise-scale operations or large portfolios of buildings. Installations are time-consuming and complicated, often requiring electricians to learn specific applications for programming and necessitating revisits to sites for corrections if current transformers are installed incorrectly. Communications present security issues, often failing IT requirements, and have timing difficulties that hinder real-time data acquisition, sometimes requiring extra equipment such as cell modems. The energy management industry faces several significant challenges. First, high project costs. Metering equipment, installation, and ensuring scalability are expensive. Installation remains costly and time-consuming, as installers need to learn how to program and configure meters, and issues like phase alignment often require on-site correction. Next, limited applications. Software is often designed for PCs and are not user-friendly with very poor scalability. These have additional costs for custom reports, designing the dashboard, and even additional licenses for their web-based solution. Next, complex installation and configuration. It is expected that the electricians must learn how to configure the meter using a laptop to connect to the meter's local web server, or requires additional resource for this function. Hence, there is a lot of dependency with on-site configurations. Next, communication and security risks. Web server implementation uses TCP/IP protocol. This approach requires higher bandwidth and uses outdated protocols like Modbus, which is limited and slow for data transfer. Web server communications pose significant cybersecurity risks, can lead to loss of communication, and often require opening insecure firewall ports. Pulling data is highly inefficient, creates latency, and is costly to scale, further requiring the opening of insecure firewall ports. With these security risks, these will not pass IT's cybersecurity protocol. CircuitMeter solution benefits. CircuitMeter offers a comprehensive and affordable solution that addresses these challenges with its innovative technology. Lower cost and breakthrough technology. CircuitMeter provides circuit-level metering at a fraction of the cost of existing systems, making it economically feasible for widespread deployment and enabling forensic energy management. IoT smart meter and real-time data. The WebMeter 48 supports 48 ports for circuits and/or pulse inputs, meeting with high accuracy and offering 1 year of onboard storage. It delivers instant granular data updated every 2 seconds to the circuit monitoring system for real-time data, saved for up to 24 hours, and accumulates to historical data with 15-minute intervals for up to 10 years. Scalable software and big data analytics. The global platform is accessible via any browser, supporting unlimited users, teams, and multi-building portfolios. Its proprietary big data engine ensures fast response to queries and powerful real-time analytics, enabling continuous energy audits to minimize waste, reduce peak demand, and improve operational and equipment efficiency. The API provides connectivity for integration with other systems. Cybersecure and data pushing. The system implements 256-bit encryption for data and 256-bit authentication for communications, and most importantly, does not require opening inbound firewall ports, utilizing the efficient UDP protocol for minimal network overhead. CircuitMeter system pushes data, which is fast, efficient, provides synchronized real-time data, and eliminates the need for insecure polling. Ease of installation and remote management. Installation is simplified with minimal equipment. WebMeter 48 and CTs features an LCD for diagnostics and allows for remote configuration and corrections, leading to faster deployment. It also supports up to 600-volt systems. Please note, as this is high voltage, The installation needs to meet local electrical safety codes and performed by a certified electrician. The platform supports real-time and historical data access, is globally accessible via browser, and allows remote configuration, making it future-proof and scalable. In summary, CircuitMeter solves key problems of older metering technologies. 1. High installation costs and complexity. Legacy systems are expensive and involve multiple components, requires electricians for setup and revisits for errors. CircuitMeter provides the lowest cost per metering point, minimal parts, and remote configuration and verification, ensuring data quality. 2. Poor cybersecurity and inefficient data encryption. Older systems fail IT security checks and use inefficient protocols. CircuitMeter, fully secure with 256-bit encryption, no firewall exposure, and low overhead UDP protocol. 3. Inefficient polling-based data collection. Polling is slow, expensive to scale, and insecure with timing issues and network inefficiencies. CircuitMeter pushes data in real time, synchronized and secure with high host efficiency. 4. Outdated communications and limited scalability. Uses legacy Modbus and BACnet protocols. Web servers and on-site firmware updates is time-consuming, unsafe, and requires on-site visits. CircuitMeter, IoT-ready global platform that scales and meets client deployment strategy. 5. Limited user experience and functionality. PC-based systems with basic functionality with limited data storage and hard to customize reports and dashboards. CircuitMeter, browser-based platform with unlimited users, big data engine, real-time API, and full historical data access. Here is a summary of the 4 main components to the CircuitMeter solution. CircuitMeter was designed following key principles to ensure a powerful solution while remaining simple. Thus, minimal components for ease of installation, and the WebMeter 48, supporting any combination of 1, 2, or 3-phase equipment. The current transformers and voltage lines connect easily to the spring clips. Each WebMeter 48 requires a hardwired internet connection to send data to the circuit monitoring system. All configurations are performed on the circuit monitoring system, not in the field. This includes the unique capability where the circuit monitoring system will verify the installation wiring and auto-correct any phase alignment and current transformer orientation issues. The platform also includes an industry-standard API interface, enabling third-party systems to retrieve the data. Here is a description of each of the 4 components. A. The WebMeter 48 supports 48 ports. These can be configured for 1, 2, or 3-phase loads. Includes all safety certifications and is intelligent to find the circuit monitoring servers. Hence, communicating data without opening any inbound firewall ports. The WebMeter 48 calculates and sends all energy data in real time every 2 seconds. The onboard memory maintains 15-minute consumption and generation data for 1 year, and will automatically upload any missing data if the event that the internet goes offline. B. J-Pulse 4 supports up to 4 pulse generators. Each pulse generator consumes 1 port on the WebMeter 48. The configuration of the pulse data is performed on the circuit monitoring system. C. Circuit monitoring system. The circuit monitoring system provides a modern graphical user interface, making it simple and very flexible to create reports and dashboards. The real-time data is stored for 24 hours and the historical 15-minute data is retained for 10 years. The circuit monitoring system is designed for ease of use and impressive response times, all being delivered through the browser. This includes many useful capabilities such as unlimited users, unlimited dashboards, peak profile analysis, baseline reporting, alert notifications, and much more. The configuration of WebMeter 48 is performed on the circuit monitoring system, not on the WebMeter 48. The system also includes a complete knowledge base, from installation guides, installation forms, applications guides, video tutorials, and use case examples. D. Industry standard API is also included. This enables any third-party application to pull the real-time or historical data. The API documentation is built into the circuit monitoring system. Forensic energy management focuses on reducing carbon footprints and minimizing waste through continuous energy audits and renewable resources. This emphasizes precision maintenance, greenhouse gas emissions reporting, and environmental, social, and governance compliance. The CircuitMeter solution includes WebMeter 48, J-Pulse, and the circuit monitoring platform, enabling advanced data metering that complements capital planning, compliance with ISO 50000, and provides all the data and charts for effective energy management. Making energy visible and measurable is key. The ability to provide both real-time data along with historical data helps with immediate issues and identifying equipment or operational trends. Identify systems running unnecessarily to prevent reoccurrence. Provide regular feedback to employees to support behavioral changes. Benchmark power use for all equipment and receive notifications when power exceeds thresholds. Prevent performance drift by maintaining systems at energy benchmarks. Use dashboards for education on sustainability objectives. Access energy demand data to pinpoint peak demand and target reductions. The CircuitMeter solution provides great results in the commercial, industrial, and institutional sectors. These are all benefiting from making energy visible and manageable. By identifying unnecessary system operations, providing feedback, and benchmarking power use, organizations can enhance energy efficiency. Real-time demand data and precision maintenance help reduce costs and disruptions, ensuring systems operate at optimal energy benchmarks. Thank you for taking the time to learn the CircuitMeter solution. We truly appreciate your interest in exploring how energy metering is evolving. At CircuitMeter, our mission is to empower organizations with the tools to better understand, manage, and optimize energy use. We look forward to sharing how our solution can deliver meaningful results for your operations.